Hello everyone, it's me Nimrawan. So firstly, before going to start the introduction of physics, we should know that what is science because these all terms like bio, physics, chemistry, etc are concerned with the science. So science is basically a name of identification, description, experimental investigation and theoretical explanation of the natural phenomena, or we can simply say that it is a study of nature. All the universe, the planets, the sun, the star, all these we study in science. So there are two branches of science, as I have written here: the physical science and the biological science. Physical science is concerned with the properties and behavior of non living matter. For example, like physics, maths, BBA, statics, etc. all we study in physical science. And in biological science, it deals with the living things, including botany and zoology. In botany, we study about the behavior of plants, and in zoology, we study the behavior of animals. Now, there are some terms like matter, energy. What are they? Let's start with the matter. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Our all the world is composed of matter. All the things like table, chair, anything, these all are made up of matter. Then we are having energy. What is energy? Energy is basically the ability to do work. There are many different uses of energy in our daily life, like if we are walking, working, doing exercise, these all consume energy. So the ability to do work is called an energy. Now the main term and that important term, that is physics. Physics is the branch of science in which we study about the matter and energy. We can simply say that it is the interconversion between the matter and energy. There are many branches of physics like atomic physics, nuclear physics, plasma physics, biophysics, mechanics, etc. These all branches we have studied in our previous classes. Now come to the physical quantity. What are physical quantities? All those quantities which are measurable is called physical quantities. Means all those quantities which are measurable is called physical quantities. There are two types of physical quantities. One is fundamental quantity and second is drive quantity. Fundamental quantity is also called the base quantity. We can say base or fundamental quantities. These are all these quantities which are major, which are completely specify itself, is called fundamental or base quantities, and their unit is called the fundamental units. There are seven fundamental quantities like length, amount of substance, temperature, current, time, mass, luminous intensity. These all seven are the fundamental quantities. Now moving towards the drive quantity. Drive quantities are the quantities which are specified on the basis of two or more than two fundamental quantities. That is called drive quantities, and the unit is called drive unit. For example, speed, that is specified on the basis of the fundamental quantities. Speed, force, acceleration, these all are the drive quantities. Thank you. So this was all about the introduction to physics.